we have a data here. Ito yung month, and then yung actual sales and the target sales. Ayan. So, how do we visualize this? Usually, ang ginagamit dito is yung line chart. So, select natin itong line chart. And then, we can compare na yung progress from the target. Ito yung target sales, yung red. At kung ano yung actually na nangyari, which is the actual. So, nakikita natin siya visually. Pero, we can still improve this chart by using combination chart. So, we can just click any line. And then, click change series, chart type. And then, dito sa combo, ayan, we can set kung alin yung magiging column. So, piliin natin itong clustered column and line chart. So, yung clustered column, ito yung actual. Sa target, ito yung line. Okay? So, sa tingin ko, it makes sense na yung target is yung line. Kasi ang mas mahalaga is what happened. Okay? Kaya, yun yung clustered column. So, sa actual, yan. Ito na ang magiging visualization natin. So, we have this actual sales and then the target sales. Na-achieve ba yung target? So, we can easily say na, yes, in some months, na-achieve yung target. In some months, it is below the target. And then, we can specify aling month ito. So, mas madali siyang ma-visualize using this type of combination chart. So, this is another data kung saan malaki ang difference between revenue and units. Ngayon, kapag ginawa natin siya as a chart, okay, flatline lang siya. Flatline yung revenue. And this one does not make sense, di ba? So, what we can do is to change this format. So, select change series chart type. And then, select the secondary axis. And then, pwede natin baguhin yung revenue into a column chart. Yan. So, ganyan na magiging itsura niya. And this is how we visualize it na. And then, select OK. And then, as you can see here, ayan, meron value dito sa gilid. So, yung revenue, it represents smaller number like 40. So, dito natin siya makikita. And then, yung units naman ng nabenta, ito, is we can see it here sa kabilang side, sa left side. And yung quantity naman sa revenue or yung kanyang data is nasa right side. So, yun. Now, we have this clean visualization na hindi flat line kasi masyado maliit yung value. We can also decorate our column chart. So, we have the sample data. Select this entire data set. And then, click Insert, select Column Chart. Ayan, simple column chart lang. And then, ang gagawin natin, lalagyan natin ng image itong column. Ayan. It will represent yung sales. So, let's say itong column na to, bawat isang column is representing sales ng cellphone. So, right-click on the column and then format data series and then choose fill and line and then choose picture or texture fill. So, meron akong pre-selected na image which is this phone. Pero, papakita ko pa rin paano siya kunin. So, dito sa picture source, click insert. Pwede kayong maglagay from your computer, sa stock images, online pictures, or from icon. So, pinili ko itong stock images. And then, I search for phone. Yan. And then, dito tayo sa cartoon people. And then, that's it. So, yan yung image natin ngayon. Ngayon, we can improve this like if pipiliin ba natin yung stock. So, ganyan magiging itsura niya. Or stock and scale width. So, kung stock and scale width, ma-retain yung original size ng photo. And then, ang pipiliin ko is yung lowest value. Ito, which is 200. Yung lowest sales na meron tayo. So, it happened on January. So, I will just place here stock and scale with units slash picture. So, 200. And now it represents yung sales. Like sa isang cellphone, it represents 200 units sold. So meron tayo dito 300 units. So almost mabuo na yung isang cellphone. This one is 400 units, 2 cellphones, and then a fraction of another cellphone. So ganyan. So, 'di ba, mukhang siyang fun tignan. So, depende kung kanino kayo nag-represent ng report, but you can choose another type of photo which will visualize your report. Ganyan. Now, we will explore yung mga other layout ng column chart. So, select all this data and then insert this one. Clustered column. Yan. Yan yung pipiliin natin. And then, dito sa quick layout, makakapili tayo yung best representation ng data natin. Like this one. Layout 1, layout 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So, right now, tingin ko lang na pinakamagandang gamitin is this one. Yung layout 5. Okay? Kasi talagang meron siyang labels. Like, dito sa below the x-axis, makikita pa rin na filtrate is yung sales niya, 5,000, even though nandito na siya sa chart. Visually na siya nasa chart. Kasi pwedeng chart is an estimate, di ba? These figures are estimates, katulad ng mga example before, na syempre, i-eyeball mo lang. Pero kung kailangan mo ng accurate data, mas maganda naka-specify siya sa loob din ng chart nyo. Like this one. Ito, sa ibaba ng filtrate nakalagay 5,000. Ito yung niya, yung actual quantity. Kasi dito sa y-axis, nakalagay dito yung may interval. Kaya dito sa layout 5, if needed, lalo na sa finance reporting or sa sales, kung gusto makita yung actual sales, actual revenue, maganda gamitin itong layout 5. This is a sample ng market research survey. Ayan. So, I think this one is about a restaurant. Better tasting, too expensive, likely to buy. So, I think this is more on food. Ayan. A market survey about food products. Yan. And then, paano nito aayusin? So, gagamit tayo ulit ng pivot table. Ayan. So, select all the data. And then, insert, click pivot table. Ayan. So, napili na natin. Gawa na tayo ng new worksheet. Okay, so we have this 2 data set, response and questions. Yung lagyan natin yung question sa rows. Yan. And then yung response ilagay natin sa column at sa values. Ayan. So mas maayos na siyang tingnan. Ngayon, yung mga numbers na to, parang it does not make sense, diba? Ano ba itong 1, 2, 3 na yan? So, base sa survey, these are counts. Kasi kung titingnan natin dito sa values ng sum of responses, ayan, naka-sum siya. So, sum, ibig sabihin how many, tingnan natin kung count siya. So, hindi. Naka-sum lang siya. So, malamang may these people, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, mga ganyan. So, yan yun. Sum of responses. And that one does not make sense. So, ano ang gagawin natin? Kapalitan natin siya. So, punta tayo dito sa show value as, and then, percent of raw total. Kasi yan yung gusto natin ma-assess. And then, click OK. Yan. So, it makes sense na. So, under attractive packaging, 20% sabi, rated siya na 2. 30% rated it 3. And 50% rated it 5. So, ayan. So, mas maayos siyang tignan at mas maayos siyang basahin kesa dun sa original dataset. Ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng pivot chart. So, we can select this. Actually, pwede nyo naman hindi na i-select. Ganyan lang. Tapos, punta tayo sa insert. And then, ayan, this one, pivot chart. Tapos, we can choose this clustered column to represent our dataset to visualize. And then, this one, ang dami niyang laman. Diba? Okay, paano natin papakontiin? So, dito sa questions, you can filter ano lang yung pinakamahalaga. So, kunyari, ang pinakamahalaga sa inyo is yung likely to buy at recommend to friend. So, lalabas siya. And, etong mga colors na to represents yung response nila. Yung rating nila. Okay? Or you may select just 1. Easy to cook. Tingnan natin. So, ayan yung response rating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, ano ang wala dito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lang to. So, masyadong mababa yung rating na 1. Ganun ba? Nandito siya. Ayun, no? Nandito sa space na to. Yung lowest. Or you can just click another. So, you may choose which is important dito sa pivot chart. Imagine you are a manager and marami kang hawak na tao. And then, these are their grades or their values. Okay? So, let's say ito yung sales value nila, ito yung revenue generated nila. Let's say ganyan na lang. And then, you need to rank them kasi kailangan to sa performance evaluation. How do we do that? Imagine kapag hundreds of people na yung tinitignan mo kung HR ka, etc. Ganyan. We can use this rank formula dito sa Excel. So, click rank. And this, as you can see here, this is the number. We have reference and order. Sa number, ito yung equivalent kung ano yung value nung person na you will rank. Okay? Pwede siyang product. Pero ngayon, dito muna tayo sa person. And then, yung reference niya, it should be the same column. Kasi same, dapat siya, same data set, like for January. And then, comma, but, kasi this one, gagalaw to, diba? Gagalaw siya kapag you drag it down, ganyan. So, you need to lock it, use this dollar sign. Lagay siya in between nung B, dollar sign 2, semicolon, B, dollar sign 16. Ganyan. And then sa order, ang ibig sabihin nito is it ascending or descending? So, pipiliin natin descending. Kasi kukunin natin yung rank 1, yung pinaka mataas yung value generated. Okay. So, ngayon, si Lebron is rank 10. If we drag it down, lalabas na rank 1 is si Rogers. So, ganyan. Meron na tayong ranking. So, paano natin siya gagawin sa other month? You can just simply copy it. Okay? So, as you can see here, nag-adjust na rin yung kanyang formula. So, naging February na din. So, yan. May easy pang Excel. So, we can check. Yung rank 1 nila is 122. So, siya nga ba? Diba? It seems, yes. 123 generated value niya. So, siya yung rank 1. And then, we can drag it further. Now, we have this ranking. So, let's check. So, this is sa March. This one is rank ng April. And this one is rank ng May. Now we have a full-scale ranking ng given months. Using the same dataset ng mga personnel, we can add symbols like this one. So, this is a wingdings symbols. At ang equivalent niya is yung letter H, I, at G. So, to check, okay. So, ilalagay ko dito H. So, this is H, I, and G. Okay? So, I will use other font ulit. H, I, and G. So, if I change this font to Wingdings 3, yan yung lalabas. So, yan. Proof yan na. Ngayon, we can add these symbols to easily see if tumaas ba yung performance or bumaba. Okay? So, tignan natin. We can use the conditionals na if. Yan. So, let's say if yung rank ng January to February muna tayo. So, if yung rank ng January is less than sa rank ng February, we say na this is H. Ibig sabihin, tumaas, diba? Kasi less than siya sa next month, tumaas yung yung performance. Okay? And then, we can also add another analysis, if analysis, and if conditionals. So, if this January, yung rank ng January, is greater than sa rank ng February, then, it means bumaba yung rank niya nung February. So, we say, it is I. So, you can see yung symbols ng I, it's arrow down. Otherwise, it is G. Okay? So, double close parenthesis. Kasi dalawang if yung ginamit natin. Now, we double click this. Yan. So, tignan natin ano ibig sabihin yung G. Ibig sabihin, na-retain lang niya yung kanyang spot. Same rank. Okay? As you can see, it is the same rank. So, ang ginamit natin na symbol doon is this arrow right to indicate na hindi gumalaw yung rank nila. Now, we change this font. Okay? Ito, font na to. Gawin natin siyang Wingdings. Wingdings 3. Ayan. So, meron na tayong symbols. Ibig sabihin, si Lebron, tumaas yung kanyang ranking. Si Wade, tumaas. Bumaba si Dirk. Okay? So, proven na by using the data of January and February. Now, try natin siyang i-drag. Okay, nag-adjust din. From February to March. Okay? And then, double-click this. And then, gawin din natin siya sa April. So, check muna natin if tama. So, it is March to April. Correct. Then, double-click. And then, drag it papuntang May. Check if it is correct. It is rank ng April papuntang May. Okay. So, nung tingnan natin, it's the same. Kaya, arrow papunta sa right. Okay. So, yan. This is the other way to visualize data. Imagine you have a lot of data katulad nito. Konti pa nga ito eh. Paano siya i-visualize? Diba? Meron kayong data sa Chicago, New York, and other states. Sobrang dami. And then, meron din kayong everyday data. Like every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So on. So, kung gagawin nyo to sa chart, medyo mahirap siyang tingnan, di ba? Isa-isahin mo, and then, gano'ng kadaming chart yung magagawin mo. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Gawa tayo ng usual chart natin. So, insert this. Yan. So, di ba? Parang, too much information or too many visual elements and hard to tell. Okay? Sa Chicago, this is the everyday data, and sa New York. So, maganda siya, okay naman siya, acceptable na rin. Pero we can also see this in other ways. Like, yung individual niya. 'Di ba? Yung individual trend line. So, now we will um, create the individual line chart. Alright, so punta tayo dito sa insert and then dito sa line. So, this is the sparkline. So, we are creating sparklines. And then, piliin natin yung data range na gagamitin natin para gumawa siya ng line chart. Para makita natin, is it increasing, decreasing, and so on. Okay? So, we click OK. Ito yung location. Ayan, paglalagyan. So, yan. So, you can see here na meron siyang peak at meron siyang downtrend. Okay? And double click this. So, hindi ubra. Yan natin. So, pwede. So, now we have sparklines para sa bawat isang states and yung data nila, yung everyday data nila. So, you can easily assess, okay, meron siyang peak, meron siyang downtime, and then meron siyang recovery. Ganyan. We can still improve our sparklines. Ayan. So, if you click any of this one, like this one lang, wala tayo dito sa sparkline na tab. And then, pwede tayo maglagay ng high point. Yan. Or we can select all para sabay-sabay natin siyang lagyan ng high point, low point, and negative points. Okay? Pwede din tayo maglagay ng first point, pero does it matter pa ba? So, that's how we can improve our spark points. Kung gusto niyo, we can also add markers para makita yung bawat isang point, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, ganyan, ng lines na to. Okay, so, siguro lagyan ko na lang ng markers, no, para very visible kung nasaan na, like nasaan yung Monday, Tuesday, so on. We can improve then yung color ng mga points, like, okay, select natin lahat again para mabilis. And then sa sparkline, then we have this marker color. Kapag high point, anong gagamitin natin? We can choose green. Diba? Kaya lang, dahil tayo, markers, hindi natin makikita masyado. Okay, so yan na. Pag wala yung markers, okay, visible pa rin naman yung green. Tapos, sa low point, gawin natin siyang orange. Okay? So, ayan. So, yung orange hindi masyadong pansin. Gawin natin siyang violet. Yung low point niya. Ayun. So, kita niyo na ba? Mukhang pampagulo yung markers, no? So, remove na lang natin yung markers. So, let's remove markers. Ayan. So, meron tayong low point and high point. Siguro okay na din yan. Ngayon, gagawa naman tayo ng win or lose na sparklines. We have a data here, like negative 1 and 1 lang yung naman niya. So, yung negative 1, it indicates na this location, this branch, this store was not able to meet the target. Okay? And the positive one, it means na they were able to meet the target. So, approach it like that na lang. Like, kapag negative 1, it means a lose, or kapag hindi na-meet yung target. Ganyan. Kapag positive 1, it means good, we're able to meet the target, or they're winning. Okay? So, now we will create a win-lose chart or win-lose sparklines. Ganyan. Bakit tayo gagawa nito? Kasi, mas madaling makita, mas madaling ma-assess siya visually. Okay, so, from the insert tab, so we have sparklines at the end, line, column, win or lose. So, we will choose win or lose, and then select our range na gagawan, and then yung location kung saan ilalagay, and then click OK. So, visually, nakikita natin, napakadaling makita na, so, dalawang beses siya, hindi, two times siyang they were not able to meet the target. Okay? Pwedeng deadline, target, or dalawang beses siya natalo. So, yun yung interpretation yan. So, yan. Let's drag it down, katulad kanina. So, we can check naman. So, una is negative 1, and then nanalo, and then dalawang talo. So, panalo and talo, and then talo. So, this win or lose na sparklines are accurate. So, this is another way to visualize your data. We can improve this win or lose na sparklines. Okay? By clicking sa any from this one, punta lang tayo sa sparkline na tab, and then we can choose anong gusto nating layout or anong gusto nating color. Ayan. So, ganun lang siya kadali. And then, pwede din dito, marker color. Palitan natin yung high point. Gawin natin siyang positive. Gawin natin siyang green. Ay, nasa low point. Teka. Click muna natin yung high point. And then, gawin natin siyang green. Ayan. And then, yung negative, ginawa pa rin natin siyang red. Red. So, you can change the marker color or you can change the entire layout color.